My name's Chris Barton, and I'm the owner and grower here at Canalside Farm. Ahead of this season, I've been asked to perhaps introduce a few of the plants that we think are going to be some of the stars of the plant centre. So if we start with ones that are most suited to baskets or baskets and containers, this plant, Petunia Night Sky, has been a favourite for the last couple of years, and there's a new introduction this year which is a different colour, a pink, and actually one of the great advantages of it is it doesn't have the same vigour as Night Sky, which is a far more compact type of plant structure. Looking again in the baskets, this Bidens or Bidens, I'm never quite sure how to say it, Sundrop, a lovely yellow flower, and again bred for its greater compact structure. That Bidens is part of the mixture in this Trixie, a new introduction cracker. The Trixies are something of a phenomenon over the last couple of years. There are three different plants within the same plug, which are grown for their ability to form a mixed display, which has good structure about it. So in this mixture, the Bidens is mixed with a Calibrachoa and a Verbena, and I think it looks like a lovely introduction. Again, in the baskets, the Bacopa's long favourite of any mixed basket. The flowers seem to be becoming bred to be larger, and this particular variety, Bacopa colossal, has three colours in it, and these two here, the white and the violet blue, looking lovely, and it is a gorgeous big flower. The Verbenas, this series Aztec, again I've chosen two colours out of it, one a pink and the other a mauve, considered to be one of the best trailing Verbenas on the market, resistant to mildew, which can be a problem with Verbenas. Looking in the containers, we've got this lovely Nemesia, and Nemesia can go absolutely wild, but this variety, Easter Bonnet, has a nice concise form, and in addition to that lovely pink lemon flower, it's got a fantastic scent to it. Again, in the containers, this very much more suits a container down at ground level than a basket up in the air. Salvia black and bloom produces this spike from which is black to start with, but as it opens, turns into a lovely spike of blue flowers. Again, container-wise, geranium, Vancouver Centennial, something of an old favourite, but it always has this interesting leaf colour to contrast with many of the other plants in the container. Going on to the borders, a new introduction this year for us, a perennial geranium, a nice mauve flower, flowers from May through to October, and of course from year to year as well. Something else to combine with it in the border would be these stocks, and they seem to have a particularly nice scent. So that's a quick run through, and we'll hope to see lots of you over the next few weeks whilst the plant centre is open. Thank you.